Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change fighter tattoos in UFC 6. Keep in mind that you can only change the tattoos for your created fighter or your career fighter. You cannot change the tattoos for your in-game fighters. If you want to change the tattoos, then just scroll down inside play menu and open create fighter option. After that, you should be able to manage all of the fighters you have created so far. So I want to edit tattoo for this fighter. I just need to select him. After that, open edit. Now go to appearance. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to find this tattoos option. Just select it. Inside here, press R1 or RB to switch between different parts of the body. So I want to add a tattoo on his body. For that, I need to go to the body category. After that, select new layer by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Then you can press R1 or RB to go through different types of tattoos available inside the game. So I want to add this tattoo on the chest of my character. For that, I just need to select the tattoo from here. After that, you can use left stick to adjust the position of the tattoo, and to change the size of the tattoo, use D-pad up to increase the size and D-pad down to decrease the size. You can also use R2 or RT to rotate the tattoo like so. Once you're happy with the tattoo, just select it by pressing A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and then the tattoo will be added as an layer. If you want to delete any of the tattoo, then just hold down Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. After that, confirm the deletion and the tattoo will be deleted like so. Once you're happy with the changes, just go back from here and save your fighter. If you want to change tattoos for your career mode fighter, then firstly go to the home tab by pressing L1 or LB. Then select the edit appearance option. After that, open appearance menu, and from here you can access the tattoos option as well. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.